Standard, out of the box, no additional options. This is the Platinum Gray 2025 Volkswagen Taos S in the first Platinum Gray finish we've had for the entry-level model Taos with the facelifted design. So we need to check this thing out, see everything that comes standard from the factory with this new Taos S, the redesigned looks, and everything that you guys are gonna love about this new crossover SUV. Let's see what it's all about. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this is our first Platinum Gray Taos S. The Taos S is where we start when it comes to the refreshed or facelifted Taos for the 2025 model year. So standard out of the box, this comes actually pretty fresh with the new looks, with the new standard equipment. I think you guys are gonna like this with that added practicality and everything that you guys are gonna want when it comes with technology. So no further ado, let's see what this Taos S is all about for the 2025 model year. Now, as always, big shout out to Volkswagen Brandon here in Florida for letting me take a spin around this Taos S. And with the economy how it is, with the times are, well, we know it's hard out there, right? But we want to help support you guys for supporting us. So when you guys watch the videos, you guys can go and shop your favorite Volkswagen Brandon vehicle, right? Come see the sales manager or the sales specialist and tell them the coupon code Ron's Rides or Ron's Rebates. They will give you $500 off your next Volkswagen branded vehicle just by telling the coupon code. They know that you guys watch the channel, that you guys see the videos, and that you guys are supporting us just by watching. So use the coupon code Ron's Rides or Ron's Rebates, $500 off your next Volkswagen. Now, underneath the hood, let's talk about that power and performance. Front engine, front wheel drive setup with a turbocharged and intercooled 16 valve inline 4 with an aluminum block and head and direct fuel injection. Now that's going to give you 174 horses and 184 pound-feet of torque. Now paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission, what we're looking at is 0 to 60 time in between 7 and 7.1 seconds, a quarter-mile time between 15.4 seconds, and a top speed at 125 miles per hour. Now, I believe this is our first 2025 Taos S in a platinum gray finish, which I really like because of one specific option. Well, I want to say option because everything here you see is standard. It's all standard from the factory, right out of the box. So no additional options here. So what you see is what you get, but with something that comes on this car, it looks really good with the platinum gray finish. So first things first, the redesign. The redesign makes this car standard look like it's something that's completely upgraded for the 2025 model year. We're talking about cleaner lines when it comes to the front fascia with the VW logo front and center. We also have the integrated gloss black bar here with the chrome finish going all the way through as well. And then it flows right into our new refreshed headlamps with our switchback turn indicator between bright white and amber with the DRLs, our high beams and low beams here. This lighting looks so brilliant. We'll have that illuminated very shortly. Now with this platinum gray finish, you guys will also see we do have gloss black accents like when it comes to the side blades here with the functional feed through there as well. And then we have a nice gray finish when it comes to the overall grille on the lower half. Now that right above, we'll have the gloss black vertical bars that will give a functional feed through when it comes to this grille setup. And then you guys will see the plastic cladding where it comes to the side and tops being false to the middle and lower half being functional when it comes to this overall setup. When you put it all together, again, very clean, very seamless lines when it comes to the new 2025 Taos S. So when it comes to the side profile, this is the standard option that I feel goes best with this spec specifically, and that is the 17-inch alloy wheels. Standard, looking just as gorgeous as this platinum gray finish on the paint. They match up. I mean, come on, check that out. They look like they were meant to go together, but I believe that this is not a metallic flake on this wheel option, but the paint is, of course. So you guys can see this is gonna be a little bit darker, but again, it matches up quite well when it comes to this overall wheel setup with the VW logo front and center and the Bridgestone tires to help wrap it all up. Then we have the plastic cladding from the front all the way around the wheel well and down the side skirts, helping protect the paint. We do also have black when it comes to the mirror housing. We do have platinum gray when it comes to the door handles. And then we have rubber moldings around the window moldings there with the B pillar and C pillar done in that black finish with the black roof rails there as well. And then gloss black when it comes to the shark fin antenna. You guys will also see the spoiler done in platinum gray with gloss black when it comes to the side blades there. It's a great look on top of this whole spec. Super stealthy, but standard on the Taos S. Take a look at this rear profile. Super stealthy with this spec, but also has those accents, has those standout pieces that's really gonna give this style a unique flair. So first things first, with this redesigned setup, you guys will see we do have the LED third brake light integrated into the spoiler there. We also will see the VW logo in this new black housed with the clear setup on the LED light bar going all the way across to the side profile with the reflector there as well, cleared throughout the bottom half. Then we have the red lining when it comes to that LED light. We'll see this all illuminated very shortly so you guys can see how it shines. Now you do see the horizontal reflectors matching the whole moniker of the LED light bar there, nice and symmetric. We have the plastic cladding when it comes to the lower half with the Fox exhaust cutouts done in that dark gray finish, and then you guys will see that diamond pattern for the Fox grille with the aluminum rear diffuser, again just giving it some more styling, some more standout looks. This looks stealthy, this looks sporty, and it's all standard on this Taos S. Now when it comes to cargo on the Taos S, well, we're looking at around 25 to 28 cubic feet. Now that's with the seats folded up. Don't fret, because we have a 40-60 rear folding split. That's gonna double it, basically. I want to say 60 to 66 cubic feet of space. It is insane the amount of room you have back here with the tall tailgate here, as you guys can see, with the glass going with it. Once you lift it up, the center feed through there as well. And then we do have the LED light right there. And then we do have a floor mat here, or carpet mat, trunk mat, that will help protect everything underneath. We do have a false floor here as well. Lift that up. And you guys will see we do have a spare tire and tools to get us back on the road as quickly and as safely as possible when it comes to the Taos S. What do you guys think when it comes to that cargo? And when it comes to fuel economy, well, we're looking at 31, 28, 36. That means 31 combined city and highway, 28 for the city, 36 for the highway, and regular fuel can go inside of this Taos S. So check out the lighting elements when it comes to illumination on the 2025 Taos S, done with this platinum gray finish, looking awesome with the switchback turn indicators between bright white and amber up top and the high beams and low beams to help illuminate that light housing. You guys will also see that we do have the rear tail lamp bar with the reflector on the side done in red, the turn indicator in amber, and then the LED tail lamp bar with the illuminated VW logo, looking really cool when it comes to this overall livery. What do you guys think when it comes to the Taos S? Inside the 53 cubic feet of space in the new 2025 Taos S with black and gray cloth interior, it looks great for no additional options standard when it comes to this model. We're talking about this is what it looks like inside from the factory. So you get very unique seats with black and gray cloth, and you also have the nice touch and feel when it comes to the texturized patterns. Then we come to the door paneling. We have the injection molding when it comes to the black uppers. We have gloss black on the bezel with the silver door handle and the locks there as well. We have a nice white finish when it comes to the door cards and soft touches, and on the armrest, nice soft feels done in black with white stitching. Then you have your controls here with your mirror controls, window switches, and then speaker grill down here as well. Now we do have branded floor mats because we have our monster mats. That could be one of our only options, really. We'll talk about that once we get to the sticker breakdown with the Taos badging there as well. It is branded. Now, you guys will also see we do have the flat bottom steering wheel, stitching all throughout, VW logo on the airbag, dark gray trim with gloss black when it comes to this 3-spoke design. You guys will see we have the manual adjust when it comes to the telescopic steering wheel here. So we can adjust it how we would like it here. All right, lock it back into place. Then behind here, you guys will see we do have our high beam light controls, driver assist, and we also have our windshield washer nozzles and our wipers and everything when it comes to controls on the right-hand side. Left-hand side, when it comes to controls on the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, driver assistance there with your volume controls when it comes to your radio, to where you can change the stations on the right hand side. And then you have voice controls, hands-free controls here with heated steering wheel standard. And then you have view, because you can change what's on your digital instrument cluster just by pressing view and getting 3 different layouts between 1, 2, and 3. Now you can also change the information that's on the left and right hand side by just pressing left and change what's up there. Like we do the oil temperature. You can also go right here and you can go to, let's say, compass. All right, so now we have the compass up there as well. So the information is at your fingertips. You also see we do have a nice dark gray trim when it comes to the gloss black bezel that's around the instrument cluster that goes right into the HVAC vent there as well. And then that nice white finish when it comes to the soft touches and the leatherette feel with the stitching there as well that matches up with the door cards. You also see your low beam light controls right here. And then come over, we do have the standard 8-inch screen. All right, graphical user interface is wonderful. It is responsive, as you guys can see. It does everything we need it to do. And this comes standard because there's no upgrades here. So it's standard across the board when it comes to the Taos S. So you guys are going to love this model. Now, you guys will also see we do have that white soft touch feel when it comes to the center of the dash here, but we have gloss black above it and that dark silver trim there with the glove box here as well. Plenty of space right there with that. We do have our HVAC vents here, gloss black. When you guys will see the hazard button there as well. We do have in our center console our controls here for our HVAC here. So we have our knobs, and then we also have our buttons here as well when it comes to our HVAC controls. You also see storage down here with USB-C plugins, 12 volt when it comes to that lighter down there as well. And then we have the nice gear selector with the shift boot and the stitching there. We can go into drive or drive manual mode just by going to the right. You can also go into neutral, reverse. Reverse will bring up our backup camera there so you guys can see how all of that looks. And then park right there. Now we do have start stop here. We do have our electric parking brake here and our start engine when it comes to our aluminum button right there. We do have in the center console cup holders. Good spot for your key fob there or phone if you don't want to set your phone right here. And then key fobs, we do have our VW logo here. Panic button here. Lock, trunk release, and unlock when it comes to our key fob for the Taos S. Now look at the armrest here. You guys will see it done with the white stitching. Lift that up. Deep storage right underneath there. Then we do have our rear view mirror here. We do have our dome light, flow lights all up top there with settings, SOS, and everything up there when it comes to information. And then we do have our visor with mirror and light standard on the driver's side and also on the passenger side. All the good stuff you guys are going to want to start with the Taos standard from the factory. You see it here today. This is where we start. And then hopping in the rear, we get 46 cubic feet of space back here with the same black and gray cloth interior with the stitching there as well. Very unique style and flair. Nothing boring about these seats. Hop inside, we have the nice weather mats. Again, we'll see in our sticker breakdown to help protect the carpet. Plenty of knee wiggle room as you guys can see. And then we have our storage right here front and center. And then we do also have an armrest here that will hide our cup holders. Look up top, we do have our dome lights there. And then the door paneling here will match up with the front with the injection molding in black with gloss black around the bezel with the silver door handle here as well. And then that white finish when it comes to the door cards, soft touch on the armrest when it comes to black and white with the stitching. And then we have our speaker grill here. We have our window controls, extra storage. It's all here, side of the rear of the Taos S. Now it's a little crinkled, but this is our sticker for the 2025 Taos S, done in platinum gray for the metallic exterior finish and gray and black cloth interior with the 8-speed automatic Tiptronic front wheel drive gearbox. We're looking at a starting price of $25,495. Now with really no additional options, we'll talk about those numbers you see in just a moment, and our $1,425 destination charge, we're looking at a total price of $27,521. How do we get there? Well, keep in mind, our platinum gray metallic exterior finish is no charge. Our gray and black cloth interior, no charge. Both of those options are free. What we do have is our prepaid scheduled maintenance contract. So it's just paying for your maintenance up front, $305. And then your floor mats. We got floor mats here. Monster mats set up forward with the heavy duty trunk liner to help protect the carpet. That's $296, but no additional options to add on to the actual vehicle itself. So this is standard when it comes to performance. Exterior, interior, safety and driver assistance, and technology and convenience. Make sure you guys pause, zoom in, screenshot, do whatever you guys need to do to see all of this that comes standard on the Taos S for 2025. All right, even check the link in the description for Volkswagen brand's website link so you got the full sticker breakdown, like the warranty information at 4 years, 50,000 miles. But with that said, what do you guys think about our platinum gray Taos S? So at a sticker price of $25,495, what do you guys feel about this super stealthy entry-level Taos S? Do you guys like all the standard equipment that comes with it fresh out of the box? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below for Volkswagen brand's website link. Their phone number is there as well. You guys check out the inventory, give them a call, use those coupon codes, either Ron's Rides or Ron's Rebates, and get $500 off your next VW branded vehicle. Now make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.